Hi there beautiful people, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I will be sharing a swatch of one random color from my nail polish collection in this new nail polish of the week video. But of course, if you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you would like to do so. Hit that notification bell as well and become a part of my little nail family here at YouTube. But as usual, start off with clean nails and apply your base coat. I'm just using one that I adore. I love this one by PJR Care nail polish. It's just their regular base, but it works wonders for me. Not only does it dry fast, it doesn't have like a really bad scent or anything like that. It is actually 16 free, it is vegan, it is cruelty free, it is halal, it is breathable and so on. It really is one of the best, like, safe to use base coats that I have in my collection, and it just protects my nails from staining, chipping, tip wear, all that jazz. I just really like this base. I do have a discount code, but I'm not quite sure if it's still valid and working, but definitely check them out. All the information is as usual in the description box down below if you're curious. I'm not getting paid or I'm not sponsored in any way to actually share this with you guys. I just genuinely really love this base, and I just love to share my love and enthusiasm for nail polishes and everything that comes together with it, such as bases, top coats and so on. But yeah, I'm just really curious today about what you are wearing on your own nails as well, because we are in the middle of spring and I just feel like wearing a ton of different colors. So yeah, definitely let me know in the comments down below what you are wearing on your nails. Maybe even inspire me or some other viewers that are actually checking out this video as well, because sometimes I just don't know what to wear. So yeah, let me know what you're wearing down below. But for today's color, I'm actually going to use a super beautiful magenta fuchsia kind of color. This one is by Sally Hansen. It is from their Insta Dry collection. So these tend to dry a little faster, but are very pigmented as well. This one is called Flashy Fuchsia. Number 303. If you're curious, just look it up. You can quite easily get these online as well, but I actually got it from my local drugstore for around €5.99, €6 if I'm correct. So they are a little bit on the higher price range when it comes to drugstore polishes, and I do know that these are actually way more affordable over in the States. So I'm so jealous of you. You're also lucky down there to have like OPI, Sally Hansen, Essie polishes, all of those like more high-end towards salon brands for such lower prices. Like the prices here in the Netherlands or Europe in general are insane for those brands. So yeah, like seriously, you are so lucky. But this color, it was actually a one coater, and that is also the reason why this video is a little shorter than usual, because I only had to apply one coat and it was completely opaque, and it made me so happy and just really like, I don't know, I just get really enthusiastic when it comes to one coaters, and I just love pinks, and this one is super bright. It kind of reminds me of like a Barbie pink, and there is a little bit of like a bluish kind of purpley shimmer to this one as well, which makes it super glowy, but not like glittery multi-chrome or anything like that. It's just a really lovely glow that is added to this polish, and it just gives so much more depth, definition, and just the overall manicure is just flawless. And then again, it is a one coater. Like, what else could you ask for, to be honest? I just really love this color, and yeah, you guys know me, I love my pinks. And I'm really curious to hear what you think about this color, and if it's something that you would wear. Are you even able to wear colors like these? Maybe you are not allowed to wear really bright colors to work or school or anything like that. Let me know what you think about this color, because for me, I'm like allowed to wear any single color to work, to be honest. It doesn't really matter. But yeah, I just really love my bright colors. So yeah, let me know what you think and if you are even allowed to wear colors like this. But of course, after your colored coat is completely dry, you want to go in with your top coat. And of course, I couldn't pick another top coat than this one by PJR Care nail polish as well, because I used their base to start this manicure off with. And I just really want to finish it off with this beautiful mirror-like super glossy top coat. Once again, it's 16 free, it's breathable, it's halal, it's cruelty free, it's like vegan, 16 free. I think I already mentioned that, but you know, it is just like spot on, top notch, like upper shelf when it comes to safety use products. But yeah, it also dries really fast. It just gives a huge glossy finish without being like super thick. The only downside to these polishes by PJR Care is that the brush is a little bit too narrow for my personal preference and my personal likings, but that is totally up to you. Maybe you really like a little narrow brush. I just really like the wide, thick brushes, if you know what I mean. But yeah, just apply a top coat of your personal preference and definitely grab your own nail supplies and paint your nails together with me. I totally forgot to mention that. But yeah, you know, I think a lot of you are already doing so, or at least that's what you've been telling me, that you've been just chilling, hanging out, painting your nails together with me while watching my videos. And I just love that about our little nail family here at YouTube, that we all can just share love and passion and enthusiasm about nail polishes and natural nails and anything like that here on my channel. So yeah, let me know what you're wearing right now, or maybe what you're going to apply. As I mentioned, I can always use a little bit inspiration when it comes to what color to wear for my next manicure. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and I hope to see you in my next video.